All right, Oliver, we're gonna have to decide how to use CK and K at the end of a word. All right, we're gonna build a word here. I'm gonna use a blank tile for the sound of K at the end of this word. And we're gonna decide whether to use CK or K to make the sound of K. But we have to look at the letter that comes right before the sound of K and decide if it's a short vowel. Can you look at that letter and tell me, is that a short vowel?
Yes.
It sure is a short vowel. And because it is, we're gonna use the CK to make the sound of K. Now that says rock. All right, let's try another one. Good job on that one. Now let's spell the word ask. All right, we have to decide, are we gonna use CK or K to make the sound of K at the end of that word? What do I do? You tell me, what do we have to do first?
We gotta look at the word before the end to see if it's a short vowel or a long vowel.
Well, just to see if it's a short vowel. This isn't a vowel at all, it's just a letter S, but it's not a short vowel, is it? No, and if it's not a short vowel, what are we gonna use?
K.
The K, good job. When is the only time we use CK?
When there's a short vowel before the end.
Before the sound of K. If there's a short vowel, then we use CK. But S is not a short vowel. All right, let's try one more. Let's build the word elk. And this one's kind of tricky. Are you ready for this one?
Yep.
Does this word have a short vowel?
Yep.
It sure does. Is the short vowel right before the sound of K?
Nope.
No, it's not. Show me where the short vowel is.
Here.
There it is. So if it's not right before the sound of K, which one of these are we going to use?
K.
That's right. Because when do we use CK?
When there's a short vowel before the end.
That's right. All right, good job. Should we do some more?
Yeah.
All right.